Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your crypto from Ledger to bank account. So according to this article from ledgerx.com, you are going to see the steps that you need to follow in order to withdraw your crypto from Ledger to bank account. First of all, you need to sign in into your LedgerX account. Then you need to navigate to transfer funds option in the top. After that, you need to click on the withdraw option and then you need to select that particular cryptocurrency which you want to withdraw. Let's say you want to select Bitcoin. So after selecting Bitcoin, in order to withdraw Bitcoin from your LedgerX account, you must first add a Bitcoin withdrawal address. This is the address you are sending the Bitcoin to. Please double check the address you entered. Carefully review the instructions in the withdrawal window. Then you need to enter the amount that you want to withdraw in the BTC amount field. After that, you need to enter the 6-digit two-factor authentication code. The code can be found under the Authenticator app that you use to log in into your Ledger account. Then you need to click on Send Email Verification button. After that, you need to approve the withdrawal via email. So when the withdrawal is submitted, you will receive an email notifying you that a withdrawal from your account has been requested. So this email will contain a link that says approve withdrawal, which you will need to click in order to confirm the withdrawal. You need to make sure that you check the Bitcoin withdrawal address and Bitcoin amount is correct in the email. Afterwards, you need to confirm the withdrawal by clicking on the confirmation link. Accounts with more than one admin requires a confirmation from 2 admins. So your withdrawal will be marked as pending until you confirm or cancel your withdrawal. So when a withdrawal is confirmed and marked as processing, it can no longer be cancelled. So basically it is showing you how you can withdraw your money or your cryptos from your LedgerX account to any other wallet or exchanges. So let's say you have added the Binance exchange over here. So once you get your Bitcoin in your Binance account, from there you can send it to your bank account. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.